Ever snapped a bolt or under-tightened a critical fastener? That one mistake can cost you big. Today, we're breaking down the best torque wrenches you can buy to get perfect torque every single time. From DIY users to professional mechanics, I'll help you choose the right one. Check the link in the description below for the best deals and updated prices. Let's jump in. You know that moment when you're tightening a bolt and your brain goes, is this tight enough? Or did I just ruin something? That's exactly where this torque wrench steps in. And in the second sentence, yes, we're talking about the Amazon Basics 1/4 inch torque. This one is clearly built for precision work. We're in the lighter torque range here, perfect for bikes, small engines, electronics, or delicate automotive jobs where brute force is the enemy. The chrome vanadium steel feels reassuring in hand, not flashy, but solid enough for everyday use. The scale is easy to read, and setting the torque is refreshingly simple. Unlock, adjust, lock, done. In real use, it shines when you're working slow and careful. You feel more in control, more confident, and considering it usually lands at a budget-friendly price compared to premium brands, it feels like a smart entry point into torque. Now let's be real, this isn't a drop it off a truck and keep going kind of tool. Some people notice the click isn't always loud, especially at lower setting, and a few wish the internals felt tougher. But for light-duty precision, it does what it promised. Bottom line, if you want accuracy without spending big money, this one earns its spot in the toolbox. There's a certain confidence boost that happens when a tool feels heavier than expected, in a good way. That feeling kicks in fast with the Lexivon torque wrench, and from the first twist, it's clear this one means business. This wrench is all about precision and muscle. Made from chrome molybdenum alloy steel, it feels dense, tough, and ready for serious automotive work. The dual scale markings pop visually, even in low light, which is a small detail you appreciate when you're under a car wondering why you didn't bring a flashlight. It ships pre-calibrated and even includes a certificate, which adds a layer of trust you don't always get at this price point. Using it feels smooth. The ratchet engages confident, the handle doesn't slip, and when you hit the set torque, the click is firm and unmistakable. It's the kind of feedback that makes you stop instantly, which is exactly what you want. That said, it's not feather light. After long sessions, your arms will know you've been working. And while many people get years of use, a few have run into internal issues over time. Still, for the money, usually sitting comfortably below high-end pro brands, it delivers serious performance. If you want a torque wrench that feels professional without pro-level pricing, this one makes a strong case. Some tools just look fast before you even use them. That was my first thought when I picked up the Hairich 1/2 inch torque wrench, and yes, it definitely has that bold, red and black, let's get to work vibe. But this isn't just about looks. This wrench covers a wide torque range, making it suitable for everything from lug nuts to heavier mechanical jobs. The chrome vanadium steel body feels sturdy, while the aluminum handle keeps it from feeling like a brick in your hand. The 72 tooth ratchet is a standout. Tight spaces suddenly feel less annoying. In real-world use, the click is noticeable at higher torque setting, which is great when you're cranking down critical bolts. The dual scale markings are laser printed and easy to read, and adjusting the torque is quick once you get used to the locking mechanism. Now, honesty time. At very low torque settings, the click can feel faint, and some people have experienced durability issues after heavy. It's not a flawless tank. Price-wise, it usually sits in that sweet mid-range, more than entry-level, less than premium brand. For DIY mechanics and weekend warriors, it feels like a powerful upgrade that balances style, performance, and cost pretty well. Ever open your toolbox and realize you've got the wrong size torque wrench again? That frustration is exactly why the Matework upgraded torque wrench set exists. This is a 3-in-1 setup, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive, packed neat with extension and adapt. Right away, it feels like someone actually thought about real-life use. The build mixes chrome vanadium steel with aluminum, keeping things strong without being overly heavy. Each wrench is calibrated to a tight tolerance, and yes, the scales are easy to read without squinting. Using this set feels practical. Whether you're tuning a bike, working on a car, or tackling random garage projects, you just grab the size you need. The click is clear, the handles are comfortable, and the upgraded lock system doesn't fight you while adjusting. Of course, no set is perfect. Some people find the adjustment a little stiff at first, and build quality can vary slightly between pieces. But considering the price, often cheaper than buying 3 separate wrenches, it's hard not to appreciate the value. This feels like a do-it-all kit for home mechanics who want flexibility without clutter. If versatility matters to you, this set checks a lot of boxes. There's something reassuring about a tool that feels like it could survive a generation or two. That's the vibe you get holding the Craftsman Torque wrench, and it doesn't try to be flashy about it. This is a classic heavy-duty 1/2 inch wrench designed for serious torque. Think lug nuts, suspension work, and anything that needs leverage. The long handle gives you excellent control, and the stamped scales are clear, durable, and unlikely to fade with time. The bi-material handle is comfortable, even during longer jobs. In use, it feels predictable. The click is strong, the settings stay put, and it inspires confidence when tightening critical fasteners. It's not the lightest tool around, but that weight works in its favor when you need steady force. On the flip side, it's not the most compact option, and if you're working in tight spaces, that length can be a challenge, but durability and reliability are where it shines. Price-wise, it often sits in the mid to upper range, but you're paying for the Craftsman reputation and solid construction. If you want a torque wrench that feels dependable, old school, and ready for years of work, this one delivers exactly that. Sometimes you just want a tool that works without drama. That's the quiet appeal of the EPAuto 1/2 inch torque wrench, and it leans hard into simplicity. Right out of the case, it feels well balanced. The chrome vanadium steel construction is solid, the satin finish resists corrosion, and the knurled handle gives you a confident grip. The dual range scale is easy to read, and setting torque doesn't require a learner. In real use, the click is clear and consistent, especially for common automotive tasks like wheel lugs or brake components. It even includes an extension bar, which is a nice bonus at this price point, usually hovering in the affordable, budget-friendly zone. Now let's be fair. While many people get long-term use, some have experienced durability issues over time. It's not a professional shop tool meant for daily abuse. Still, for DIYers, weekend mechanics, or anyone who wants accuracy without overspending, it delivers more than expected. It feels honest, no gimmicks, no overpromises. If you're building a garage setup and want reliable torque control without draining your wallet, this wrench quietly earns its keep. Picture being stuck on the roadside, trying to change a tire, wishing you brought us just one more tool. That exact scenario is why the Toolant 1/2 inch torque wrench set feels so satisfying. This isn't just a wrench, it's a full tire service kit. You get the torque wrench, breaker bar, extension, and deep sockets that cover most vehicles on the road. Everything clicks into place neatly, and the wrench itself feels sturdy with a clear, loud click when you hit your torque setting. In practice, it's incredibly convenient. The breaker bar handles stubborn bolts, the torque wrench finishes the job accurately, and the sockets fit snugly. The dual scale markings are easy to read, and the 72 tooth ratchet works smoothly even in awkward positions. It's not ultralight, and carrying the full kit takes some space, but that's the trade-off for being prepared. Build quality is generally solid, especially considering the price, often cheaper than buying each tool separately. For DIY tire changes, road trips, or home garages, this set feels like peace of mind in a case. If you like being over-prepared rather than under-equipped, this one makes a lot of sense. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description below for the best torque wrench deals, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.